A bill of materials, or BOM for short, is a document that defines the quantity of each component required to make or deliver a finished product. It can also include various operations and the individual step guidelines needed to complete a production process. To add a new BOM to your organization, go to Bills of Materials menu under Manufacturing module from the left sidebar and click on the Add button on the top. In the Add Bills of Material pop-up, select a product to be produced. This bill of materials, BOM, is also used for variations of this product. Having a consolidated BOM for a product with variants saves time by preventing the need to manage multiple BOMs. Select a variant product if this bill of material is for special variant product. Enter the quantity. Select in unit of measure. Select a routing. Select the BOM type. There are two options, either manufacture this product or kit. Currently, this field data is for storage only. Select the manufacturing readiness. There are two options, either when all components are available or when components for first operation are available. Currently, this field data is for storage only. Select the consumption, can choose strict or flexible. Currently, this field data is for storage only. When you're done, select Save. System redirects to Bill of Material Details page and we can create components for Bill of Material. Select Add. In the Add Component pop-up, choose the component. Enter the required quantity of this component. In the Apply on Variance field, select the variables that this component will apply. If no variation is selected, the default component applies to all variations. Select the consumed in operation and enter the order. When you're done, select Save. Next, I will add a second component to this BOM. This component applies to all variants of iPhone 15, so I will leave the Apply on Variants field blank. When you're done, select Save. Similarly, I will add other components to this BOM. Once we have created the BOM, we can start creating the manufacturing order.